Hi everyone, I'm Staci Franklin with It's Your Day Weddings and Special Events, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I give you tips and tricks to help you plan a stress-free wedding day. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest wedding planning information. So in today's video, I'm going to give you count them, five things that you need to do before you select your wedding venue. So let's get into it. Number one, I highly recommend that you talk to a wedding planner. A wedding planner is going to be familiar with all of the different types of wedding venues that are in your area. They're going to know what the capabilities are, such as capacity, accessibility, and the level of ease or difficulty working in the venue. So you definitely want to take the time to talk to a wedding planner first about the types of venues that are in your area. Number two, choose a venue that fits your vision that you have for your wedding day. If you're a couple who likes nature, maybe you want to choose an outdoor venue such as the botanical gardens or maybe a local park. If you have more modern interest, you may want to consider an art gallery or a local museum. Or you may like industrial spaces, so maybe you want to consider older buildings that have been revitalized and have the exposed brick and hardwood floors features that you like. You want to choose something that reflects your interest as a couple. Number three, before choosing your venue, you need to have a good estimate on the number of people on your guest list. You don't want to get stuck with a venue that is too small because you underestimated how many people were going to attend. You also don't want to get something too big that the venue swallows up everyone, and it's so large of a space that you have extra expenses for decorations in order to adequately fill the space. So be sure before you make your final decision to have a good estimate on your guest count. So number four is understand what is included in the price of your venue. For example, does it include tables, chairs, or linens? Does it include decorations, food, or bar service? Do you have to use a preferred vendor list, or are you allowed to choose your own vendors? Before you sign on the dotted line, be sure that you know exactly what you're getting if you decide to book a specific venue. And number five, my final recommendation is to just be you. Choose a location that reflects your style as a couple and be authentically you. I've worked with some couples where I personally might not have chosen a particular location, but at the end of the day it worked out because it represented their personality as a couple. So pick what works best for you. So there you have it, 5 things that you need to check before you select that wedding venue. Thanks again for taking the time to join me today. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please do so because I want to make sure that you stay up to date on all of the latest wedding planning information. Also, if you found this helpful and you want to leave a comment, please do that as well. I would love to hear more about what you're planning for your wedding day. Thanks again, and until next time, happy planning!